Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Istiqomah with NPM 224112111 from Management 22 P class. Here I will discuss of capital market. Capital market. What is a capital market? Definition: a financial market where individuals and institutions trade financial assets such as stock, bonds, and derivatives. Purpose and function. It, it facilitates the free flow of capital, ensure that the capital is allocated efficiently to fund business activities and profit opportunities to earn a return on investment. Types of capital market. The stock market, where share trade. The bond market, where debt securities and are issued and trade, and the money market, where short-term debt and security are bought and sold. Next, key participants in the capital market. Investors, individuals and institutions who invest money in security which are issued by the companies or governments. Issuers, companies or governments which issue security to raise capital from investors. Intermediaries, individuals and companies that act as brokers between the issuers and investors. Examples include stock brokers, investment banks, and asset management companies. Product in the capital market. 1. Shares, also known as stocks. They represent ownership interest in a company. Shareholders receive return on investment in the form of dividend and capital gains. 2. Bonds. They represent debt financing, where investors loan money to issue for a fixed period and receive interest payment. Bonds have a specific maturity value which is repaid to the investor at the end the term. 3. Derivative instrument. Financial product whose value is derived from the value of an underlying asset. They include futures, options, and swaps. 4. Investment funds. Pooled investment vehicles in which investors can buy into for a diversified portfolio on securities. Examples include mutual funds and exchange trade funds. Next, regulation and governance of capital market. Regulatory bodies. Regulators such as CAG in the USA or the FCA in the UK oversee and regulate the functioning of capital markets to ensure investor protection and fair dealings. Self-regulatory organization. Bodies created by the industry to regulate their own behavior. For example, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, in the US, or the Financial Conduct Authority, FSA, in the UK. Exchange. The entities where trading occurs regulate their own governments and the behavior of lists, companies, or governments. Capital market formula. Return on investment, or ROI. Formula is profit mean initial investment per initial investment. Net present value, NPV. Formula is cash flow per 1 plus discount rate, mean initial investment. Earnings per share, or EPS. EPS is net profit mean preferred dividend per number of shares outstanding. Price to earning ratio, P per A ratio. Formula is share price per earning per share. Dividend yield. Dividend yield formula is dividend per share price. Debt to equity ratio. Formula is total debt per equity. Next, role of capital market in the economy. 1. Capital formation. The capital market profit the mercenaries for raising money needed for investment and building of infrastructure. It profit opportunities to companies and governments to raise funds for growth and expenses. 2. Liquidity creation. The capital market profit liquidity to investors, broadens the base of investment, and promotes price discovery, market efficiency, and transparency. 3. Facilitating financial transaction. The market facilitates financial transaction by providing investors with capital and the means to control and manage risk. It also helps them to transfer funds from one place to another. Next, risk in the capital market. 1. Market risk. The risk that the market value of asset will fluctuate due to price volatility, political instability, economic conditions, and changing investor sentiment. 2. Credit risk. The risk that issue will fail to meet their obligations, leading to default on interest and principal payments. The market compensates investors for this risk in the form of higher interest rates, reflecting credit risk premiums. 3. Liquidity risk. The risk that an investors may not be able to buy or sell securities in the market when needed at a fair pricing. This is more safer in markets with low trading volume, low demand for specific securities, or when there are sudden stock to the overall. 4. Company risk. The risk that the business performance of companies or governments might deteriorate due to operational or financial reasons, impacting the value of the securities the issue. Investing in the capital market. Investors need to have a long-term perspective, carefully manage risk, and have a disciplined investment approach. The market has proven to be a good long-term investment by providing higher returns than other asset classes over the long term, notwithstanding that past performance may not be repeated.